Hey everybody, I'm Chef Tom with atbbq.com, and today on Thirsty Thursdays, we're making margaritas. With Cinco de Mayo right around the corner, it seemed like a great time for us to put out a margarita video. The first thing we're gonna do is get some limes on the grill. Today we're cooking on the Yoder Smoker's YS640S pellet grill. It's running at 450 degrees, set up direct, but it has the griddle installed. That way we can get full contact with the surface of the lime so we can get maximum caramelization. Hear that sizzle? We're not actually looking to cook the limes, just to get some caramelization, so I'm gonna leave the lid open. All right, getting some nice caramelization on the surface there, so we're ready to take these off. Now we'll go ahead and juice these limes. We need about 3 tablespoons of lime juice to make a couple cocktails. So we're gonna strain this off to get any extra pulp out of there, but we'll still get all that grilled flavor. So we're gonna add that grilled lime juice into the shaker. We'll add our tequila. We're gonna do 6 tablespoons. Again, forgive me, I'm a chef, not a mixologist, so we're doing this in a barbecue shaker. And yeah, I'm using measuring spoons. Now we're gonna do 2 tablespoons of orange liqueur. Oh, that's super accurate. You could use any orange liqueur. We're using triple sec. Now here's where this one takes a twist. We've got these really great shrubs from Casey Canning Company. This is Watermelon Habanero. So that's how we're gonna season up this margarita today. We're adding 2 tablespoons of that as well. And because none of this stuff is super sweet, we're gonna make a little simple syrup, just equal parts sugar and water, and I'll go throw this in the microwave to melt that down. So we'll add the 2 tablespoons of simple syrup to the mix. And because none of this is particularly cold, we're gonna shake it with some ice before we pour the drink. But before we do that, we're gonna put some salt on the rim of this glass. We're using the habanero salt from Jacobson. We're gonna get some lime juice here on the rim just to help that stick. And we'll flip this over, give her a little shake. We've got some rather large ice cubes, so I'm gonna crush some of these down for the actual inside of the glass, just using a meat mallet. And then we shake. And we'll just pour that right over the top of the ice. Garnish that with a slice of lime, and that's all there is. The watermelon definitely comes through. I love that habanero salt, just the right amount of heat. And that salt offsets all of that sweet flavor from the margarita, as well as that citrus kind of sourness. This is really well balanced. I'm super stoked about this one. Thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to check out atbbq.com for all the products featured in today's video. If you enjoyed the recipe, hit that subscribe button. And if you have any questions or comments, or there's anything you'd like to see me cook, let me know in the comment section down below, and let's be good to one another. For more recipes, tips, and techniques, head over to atbbq.com/thesauce. All things barbecue, where barbecue legends are made.